Happy birthday, Tita Cora! More blessings to come. Malapit na ang birthday ko. More chickens to come. Love you.
Hi everyone! Greetings from Melbourne, Australia. Cora, happy 70th birthday! Matanda lang pala ako sa iyo ng 1 year. Hope you enjoy your day and wishing you more blessings and good health today and in the years to come. Huwag mong kalimutan mo yung age. It's just a number. Just remember, always pray and be kind to one another, especially with your family, and keep sharing your blessings. Maybe one day we'll see you again. Have a nice day and enjoy everyone. Bye!
Hello Mars, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming kaarawan at maraming blessings at maraming trips. Deserve mo yan. Happy birthday! God bless you more. Bye!
Hello, Cora. Do you still remember me? Baby Bugay. Happy birthday from San Jacinto, California. Bye. Thank you.
Hi, Ate Cor. Happy birthday po from UK. Si Ate ha, 70th birthday. Kumusta na po kayo lahat? Happy birthday po ulit. Bye!
Hi, Tita. Good morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I hope Bori is treating you really nicely. I know she is. But look, I'm a fatila. I have laman na. Happy birthday. Sending love from London. Heart.
Hey Tita Cora, happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-alaga sa akin ng college and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mama Cors! Thank you so much for birthing my BFF. And you know, you'll always be a big part of my high school life. Sa mga pandesal at mga pabao ni JC for me. Naluto mo yan, ganyan. Happy birthday and I hope you... I wish you all the best and good health always. Ayan, namimiss ko na yung bopis mo and ang chicken wings. Happy birthday again!
Hi Tita Cors, happy birthday. Just want to thank you for everything that you've done for Marco and Jade and always looking after them even though nawala kami dyan. We hope to see you soon here in Singapore. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Cors! And tama si Mark, we celebrate with you in this milestone. And we really appreciate everything that you are doing for Marco and Jadine, yung pag-aasikaso sa kanila, even for being always there for them, Tita. And we are grateful and thankful, Tita, that you and your entire family are really with the kids now that they're back home in Manila. We look forward, Tita, seeing you soon. And we hope that you come back in Singapore for a vacation. I think it's about time. Di ba, no, JC? Ayun lang, Tita. We are celebrating with you from afar. But we're excited, for this new year of your life. And we speak blessing and also good health and protection, Tita, sa inyo. God bless, Tita. And with that, we wish you once again,
Happy birthday, Tita!
happy birthday,
Happy
Tita!
birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday, Cora. I wish you more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Mars. I wish you more birthday to come. Alam ko maligaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. Maraming salamat sa pag-aasikaso mo kay Marco at kay Jade. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi, Mama Cora. Happy 70th birthday. I hope you have a good one and I pray for more blessings to go your way. Thank you so much for the support. Take care always.